Here is a simple moral story that helps you learn English. It uses easy vocabulary, short sentences, and includes a clear moral at the end. The Honest Woodcutter. One day, a poor woodcutter was cutting wood near a river. His axe slipped and fell into the river. He sat down and started crying. Just then, a fairy appeared. She asked, "Why are you crying?" The woodcutter said, "My axe fell into the river. I need it to work." The fairy smiled. She went into the river and brought out a gold axe. "Is this your axe?" she asked. The woodcutter said, "No, that is not mine." She went again and brought out a silver axe. "Is this your axe?" The woodcutter said, "No, that is not mine either." Finally, she brought out an old iron axe. The woodcutter said, "Yes, that is my axe." The fairy was happy with his honesty. She gave him all 3 axes: gold, silver, and iron. Moral: honesty is the best policy. And please comment, how will I help you for Learn English? If you want Learn English in just simple steps, please subscribe this channel at Grandpa786 on YouTube. Thanks for your love.